All right, so really nothing changed much since yesterday. Um, we did we did test. I mean, we spent the whole day inside this distribution from that P-shaped profile, and we couldn't test lower until the end of the day, the later part of the session. Then at the end of the day, we filled the single prints, tested in the spike, and then close higher. And now overnight we spend most of the time attempting to get lower. We did break yesterday's low during the overnight session, but then the jobs report, all the reports from this morning caused this spike and a weak poor high, and that's one tick below yesterday's high. So we're pretty much in the same spot. Scenario is very similar as yesterday. If we break above this high and then we fail to hold, then I'm looking for a value area sweep to yesterday's value area low. If we hold above value, which is right here at 7,002.5, if we hold above that and break yesterday's high, then looking to stay long into the upper levels. Like I've been saying, all these highs are very vulnerable, and then we have all these previous bullish imbalance targets. Remember to keep an eye on the SPX 7000 level. That's about 70.20 on ES. Just because it's such a big strike, it's a big magnet, and if we get there, we might just pause for a little bit there. But then if we break above it, then I'm expecting the highs of the range to be taken. In here, chop. Look at this. I mean, the other day started to look like we were gonna have like some nice distribution, but now again we keep going back to this like crappy looking profiles where like everything is a high volume node. It's kind of annoying, to be honest, but this is the market that we're given. So this area still keeps being a low volume area. So what I'm watching this 69.70, but if we are able to get below this area, which is also, if you see these two profiles, very low is in this area. So if we get below this 69.70, I'm gonna look for a move down to take these lows and retest that 20-day point of control at 69.40, and then from there look for continuation to see if we drop lower. But pretty much same as yesterday. Not much to say about that. And Q also same scenario as yesterday. Gold finally got to that 51.20, tested above, and then came back down. Like, remember I said that this was gonna be an area where we probably find sellers. So now we tested it, we got below, and now this 51.20 keeps acting as a magnet. See, we just dropped and now we're coming back to it. And silver keeps slowly grinding higher. It's still very volatile, so resistance here at 92, but it looks like it's starting to accept lower, so keep an eye at this area 92, and then see if we break 92, we're probably gonna go back to 100. And gold, crude testing resistance now. Like I said yesterday, this is starting to be the area that we are accepting. So between 61.50 and 66, If we break above this 66 area, I mean, we have single prints from I think it was last week. Was it last week? Yeah, from a couple of weeks ago. So I'm looking for this to be filled into that 67 and change area. If we fail to hold above 66, then target to the downside, the first target is 65.20 and then 64.20. Do we have any more news today? I don't think so. We have Fed speaking at 10 and at 10:15, and then we have auction 10-year note auction at 1 p.m. And tomorrow we have jobless claims, home sales, and Friday CPI. All right, that's about it for today. Good luck.